Are you or someone you love facing DWI charges in Texas? Well, this short video presentation will help you better understand the penalties, fines, and fees for DWI cases in Texas. DWI, driving while intoxicated, the first offense is a Class B misdemeanor in the state of Texas. At the trial, the state may prove, intoxication in three different ways. The first is not having the normal use of physical faculties. The second is not having the normal use of mental faculties. The third is having an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more. The jury does not have to be unanimous on the manner and means of intoxication, only to determine that the person was in fact intoxicated. It's important to note that the intoxication must occur and be proven to occur while driving. The classifications and range of punishments for DWI convictions are: the first offense is a Class B misdemeanor, the second offense is a Class A misdemeanor, special condition, and the third offense or greater is a third-degree felony. With more detail, the first offense, Class B misdemeanor, will include a fine not to exceed $2,000, jail for a term of not less than 72 hours, but no more than 6 months. Community service. Texas law mandates that a judge order not less than 24 hours or more than 100 hours, and probation of 1 to 2 years, which may include evaluation, victim impact panels, supervisory fees, and additional community or volunteer service. The possible additional conditions of probations may mean an alcohol treatment through Alcoholics Anonymous or another counseling program, random urine analysis, confinement, or even restitution. The second offense, the fine may not exceed $4,000. Community service is now increased. Jail time is now increased. Texas law requires that anyone arrested of a second or greater offense have a deep lung air device installed on the car the person intends to drive. This requires a breath sample before it will allow you to start your car. A third offense, regarded as a third-degree felony, the fine is not to exceed $10,000. This time, the confinement in a penitentiary for a term of not less than 2 years, nor more than 10 years. Community service now is 160 up to 600 hours. And the deep lung air device conditions for any occupational or provisional licenses. A third-degree felony, the suspension of your license is typically not less than 180 days, but not more than 2 years. The other circumstances surrounding this, you may be obligated to participate in a substance abuse felony probation and consume a prescription drug called antabuse, making a person violently ill if alcohol is consumed. If a person commits an offense by accident or mistake, and this causes serious bodily injury to another, this is regarded as intoxication assault. Obviously much more serious. Intoxication manslaughter is included when there's a second-degree felony. This is when there's a death involved. Here's an outline of the penalties. If a person is involved in an accident where there is a risk of injury or death, a mandatory blood sample will be taken for analysis and use in the prosecution of either intoxication assault or intoxication manslaughter. We encourage you, when facing DWI charges in the state of Texas, to reach out to an expert that can help you best protect your legal rights. Please visit DWI El Paso for more information. Thank you.